Hi everyone, this is Kim from Earn Greater Profits, and in this short video I'm going to just show you how to jump from the top of the page to another section below it using a link. So here I'm just on the platform, I'm just on some random page, but I want to be able to jump down to the sections that I'm calling up right here. So this page is quite long, and so I've got most of these done, but let's just do email and text campaigns. So we're going to scroll down and find that one. I'm going to highlight the element so it's orange. I'm going to scroll down through advanced down at the very bottom. I'm going to copy and paste this CSS selector. Then I'm going to scroll back up to the top. I'm going to highlight what I want linked. Sometimes it takes a couple times to get it to stick. And then I'm just going to copy and paste that. I don't need any other URL because it's on the same page. So I'm going to hit save and save. And then I'm going to reload the page so we can see it, how it works. So let's just click email and text campaigns, and ta-da! It just drops right down to where we want it to go. And you can use this for any section that you want. So I used an element section, but I believe you can use any section you want because they all have CSS selectors. But I just used my header element selection. Now to go to a different page, these that I'm talking about are on a different page, and so I'm just going to highlight and show you how to do that. So I've got the selection, the CSS selector for that particular page's subheader that I want to reference, and so that's copied in. But the other thing you need to do if you want to go to another page is put the entire URL in there. And so I've got my URL, and then I've got the page name, and then directly after it I have my # or my hashtag along with everything else. And so there's no / or anything right here. This is exactly how it should look. And so I will save that again. And let's go test it out. Okay, we are on our actual page. We've saved it and I've reloaded the page. So here we click on email text campaigns. It works properly. Let's go and go to a different page. Here is affiliates. And it goes to my secondary page that talks about affiliates. Just as an FYI, so that you know what's going on, and hopefully they will fix this in the future. When you click on that link, the URL is going to show up exactly like this. So your customer or the person looking at your website is going to see this entire thing in the URL. It's not very clean or pretty and is not useful in any way as far as knowing what page they're on. But hopefully in the future, the platform will update that so that you could actually go down here and create your own CSS selector and name it what you would like, so that in the URL it would say, you know, the page name, #affiliates, or something that's memorable that helps both the human as well as Google know exactly where they're at and what they're looking at. So hopefully that's on the list of things to allow us to do in the future. But for now, we just use this CSS selector that is assigned to us, and it does show up in the URL. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.